Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Well guys, Snenhlanhla and Dr. Dlomo finally got married. Guys, after months of romance between the two, they have finally decided to tie the knot. But things didn't go good as it should be on a wedding day, as Dr. Dlomo did the unthinkable to Sneh. Guys, their wedding aired for 2 episodes, which was the Thursday and Friday episode. Guys, right now we are going to talk about the wedding, and let us not focus on Dr. Dlomo's drama. Sneh was so beautiful. Even the dress was beautiful. Everything about Sneh was beautiful. It's just that the person she is getting married to, I do not trust after the drama he caused. Guys, let me know on the comment section, what do you think about Deb and Jen wedding? For me, it was so beautiful, and guys, I know that some of you will agree with me that Deb and Jen do not disappoint when it comes to weddings. They go all out. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please make sure that you do the right thing by commenting, sharing, subscribing, liking this video, and most importantly, hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on anything that I am going to upload next on this channel. Bye.